Hi, my dear students. In this video, we are going to see Class 6th NCERT Geography, Chapter 8, India, Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. First, we are going to see about climate, India's climate. First, we are going to see definition of weather. What does mean by weather? Weather tells about day-to-day changes in the environment or in the atmosphere. What is the day-to-day change? Now it may be raining. After 1 hour it may be very hot. So after 2 hours it may be again raining. So the day-to-day change, that is called as weather. It may be hot or cold, sunny or cloudy, windy or calming. And now we are going to see the difference between the weather and climate. So what is the difference between weather and climate? Weather will say you about the short time changes. So I already said, even between a hour it may change. It may be raining now, after 1 hour it may be hot, after 1 hour again it may be raining. So a short time change, that is called as weather. Climate means for 3 months it will be summer, for 3 months it will be winter. So it is a long time change. So weather means short time change, climate means long time change. Now we are going to see about different seasons in India. We already know that we are having 4 seasons in India. What are they? Winter, summer, rainy and autumn. In brief, we are going to see each and every seasons. What does mean by winter? When it happens, the winter season is from December to February. And what is the other name of winter? How the winter it will be? Yes, the winter season it will be very cold. So we are giving the other name for winter as cold weather season. Cold weather season is also called as winter season. It is from December to February. What are the things you will use during winter season? Woolen cloths and some hot drinks you will use in winter season. It is also called as cold weather season. And second season is summer season. In the summer season, the sun rays directly falls on us and the temperature will be very high. You already know summer season means temperature will be very high. So it will be very hot. So we are giving the another name for summer season as hot weather season. Hot weather season. What is the other name for summer season? Yes, we already said it will be very hot. So it is also called as hot weather season. And during summer season, how will be the wind? Yes, it will be very hot and it will be very dry. Anal kaathu. It is also called as Lu. L-O-O, Lu. The hot and dry winds, they are called as Lu. Yes. Yes. What are the things you will use in summer season? Fruits and very cold drinks you will use, and you will use some cotton cloths and sunglasses. These are the things you will use during summer season. Summer season is also called as hot weather season. And the third season is rainy season. It is from June to September. And what is the other name for rainy season? Yes, it is called as southwest monsoon. Why it is called as southwest monsoon? Because the wind blows from Arabian Sea to Bay of Bengal land. Arabian Sea, where it is located in India? It is in west, that is left. Left means west. And down means south. So only it is called as southwest monsoon. The Arabian Sea is in the west side of India and it is down. So it is called as southwest monsoon. The wind blows from Arabian Sea to Bay of Bengal land. While crossing, it will strike many mountain barriers. So only we are getting rain, okay, in that particular season. So it is also called as southwest monsoon. Rainy season is also called as southwest monsoon. And which month it will be rainy season? Yes, that is from June to September. Rainy season is from June to September. And what is the fourth season? Yes, that is autumn season. Right. It is also called as retreating monsoon. Why it is called so as? It is from the month October to November. October and November. Why it is called as retreating monsoon? Because here the wind blows from Bay of Bengal land to Bay of Bengal sea. So when the wind blowing, the two states near to this wind is Tamil Nadu and Andhra. So these two states will get rain during this autumn season. So only it is also called as retreating monsoon. And the climate is the average weather condition measured over many years. Many years they have gone studies regarding this climate, average climate, and they have said this as a monsoon type. What is meant by monsoon? It is an Arabic word, mausium. It means seasons. And we in India, we are having good monsoon, and so only the agriculture, it is best in India. So we are growing, we are having adequate rainfall. So we are having some beautiful crops that can be grown in India. And the climate may be changed due to location. Location means where you are. You may be in Sivagangai district, or if you are in Chennai district, like that, where you are located, first thing. Second thing is altitude, height. Which height you are. If you are in a mountain, it will be very high. So if you are in Ooty, the climate will be very nice, cold. And if you are in plains, you are having very normal climate, hot, or it may be somewhat cold. And distance from the sea, where if you are located near a sea area, it will be very cold. So according to the distance from the sea, these are the three things that climate depends upon. And in India, the Rajasthan, the rainfall rate will be very low. Very low it is in Rajasthan. The rainfall rate will be low in Rajasthan. And it will be always cold in which state? Can you have any guess? It is Jammu and Kashmir. And in Mumbai, there will be the moderate temperature in Mumbai. Next we are going to see about natural vegetation of India. What is meant by natural vegetation? Before seeing that, what are the different kinds of plants? It is divided into three. Herbs, small medicinal plants. Shrubs, average heighted plants. And trees, big trees. For herbs, we can give examples like tulasi, coriander, etc. For shrubs, we can give hibiscus, rose plant, etc. And for trees, we can give mango tree, neem tree, etc. Now let us see the definitions for natural vegetation. What is the definition for natural vegetation? All the plants like grasses, shrubs, trees which grow on their own naturally without any human interference. It is called as natural vegetation. Whatever plants, it grows naturally without any human interference. That is called as natural vegetation. In natural vegetation, we are going to see what are the uses of forest. For what purpose the forest is used. Yes, we are having plenty of uses of this forest. The trees inside the forest, it will release oxygen that we breathe and absorb carbon dioxide which we exhale. And the roots of the plants that binds the soil, that helpful for soil erosion. They will control soil erosion. And what are the things we will get from forest? Furnitures, fuel, you can see in this picture. Wood, fodder, medicinal plants, herbs, honey, gum, and many things we can get from forest. And what are the important programs we are celebrating to plant a tree? Yes, it is a Vana Mochav Day we are celebrating to involve all the peoples in the earth to make the earth green. In many places, they will ask children of school to bring some small plant and to be planted, right? So that in that day, they will encourage all the students to plant some trees near the schools or inside the schools, etc. That day, that program, it is called as Vana Mochav Day. And we students, we should not destroy any trees, we should not cut any trees, because trees, it plays an important role in our life. It is giving you oxygen, food, and everything we are getting from forest. Many things we are getting from forest. Next topic we are going to see, that is, yes, wildlife of India. And before entering into the chapter, I am going to show you the animation of our national animal. Which is our national animal? Yes, I will show you that in animated form. Here you can see our national animal in your social book, chapter 8. National animal, tiger. It is sitting in your book. Animated form of national animal, Our national animal, India's national animal, tiger. Can you able to see this? Yes, this is our national animal, tiger. We are going to see about the wildlife of India. Yes, in India we are having plenty of animals, many variety, many species of animals are there in India. Particularly in Gujarat Gir forest, many ancient lions are there in Gir forest, Gujarat. And many elephants and one-horned rhinoceros are found in Assam. And elephants also found in Kerala and Karnataka. Now I will show you the picture of elephant in your book, 3D animated form. Let us go through the elephant animated form in your book. Here you can see the elephants. Elephants, it is founded in Kerala and Karnataka. In our India, we can see more and more elephants in Kerala and Karnataka, and also in Assam we can see the elephants. And India, it is also rich in camels. It is mostly found in Great Indian Desert. And wild goats, snow leopards and bears, everything, it will live in cold regions like Himalayan region. And you already know about our national bird, that is peacock. And many birds are there in our India. Many species of birds are there like parrots, pigeon, etc. Now I will show you the 3D animated form of bird bat. Okay, dears? Here you can see bat in your book. This is a type of bird. Can you able to see bat? Many species are there in our India. Many bird species, animal species, many species are there. But due to our human beings interference, many species day to day it is destroying, and we want to conserve all the animals and birds. And India also has many snake, thousands of snake varieties, cobras, and many types of snakes varieties are there. Now let us see the 3D animated form of snake in your book. Yes, we are having more than 1,000 varieties of snakes in our country, India. And this is the chapter 8, wildlife, about wildlife, and how to conserve this wildlife we can go through now. This is the 3D animation of snake. Yes, how to conserve this wildlife resources. Nowadays we are using mobile phones. Due to that, it is due to that vibrations, and due to that many birds, their species are destroying day-to-day life, and many species already it has been destroyed. And we should preserve everything, we should conserve everything. So government, it already introduced Project Tiger and Project Elephant to protect these animals, and they have opened many wildlife sanctuaries and many zoos, etc. to conserve these animals. So we should not buy anything that is made up of animal bodies like bones, hairs, horns, skins, feathers, etc. So if we are not buying anything, then the customers, then the persons, those who are killing these animals, they won't do it, because they won't have any business related to these animals. So we should not buy any products regarding these animals like bones, bone animals, ferns, fur, skins and feathers. Using this, we should not buy any products. And we should have many awareness program regarding these animals. We should not kill, or we should not cut any trees, or we should not kill any animals. We want to conserve the wildlife and also the natural vegetation. Yes, dears, our chapter 8, India, climate, natural vegetation and wildlife chapter over. We shall go through chapter 8. 8 chapters in geography is completely over. In next video, we will see, we are going to see chapter 1, history. We will meet in that chapter. Thank you, dears. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.